late to the birthday party. Oh, this'll do. I'll tell her it's some handcrafted bag. Hi, Auntie. Sorry I'm late. I got you a birthday present.
Thanks, Amelia. You're a bit late though, and you didn't have any wrapping paper.
Oh, sorry. My dog was stuck in the fridge.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. But thank you. I'm glad you made it.
Yeah, me too.
I'm glad you're here as well. Better late than never.
That looks like a bag that I need.
Yeah, but you're not really a doctor, are you? You're a doctor of philosophy, not really medical doctor.
Does it matter?
You don't need a bag like this.
Well, I think I do.
No, well, Amelia gave it to me anyway. Thanks, Amelia.
I'd be
But
interested
for
what's
me,
inside.
Yeah, definitely.
And I'm not. You can't give gifts away. You have to hang on to it.
Are we supposed to be here?
I could have sworn we're supposed to go to a funeral.
I got a payment for a wedding.
I got payment for a birthday party, so
I got payment for doing nails.
What nails are you doing?
Acrylics?
Okay.
Obviously, there was like a mix-up.
I swear this was meant to be a wedding.
nah, the email said it was a birthday party. My email said it was supposed to be a funeral. Well, that explains the outfit.
It's not time to start the barbecue. I'm hungry.
Not yet. Just wait a minute. We've got to get more sausages. We haven't got enough for the rent-a-crowd.
But that's our bag. I know, but don't say anything. We've only just missed your auntie. We don't want to spoil her birthday, okay?
If they find out what's in there, well, yeah, she probably doesn't want to know what's in there.
I know, but as long as she doesn't work out that if she puts the spoon with the compass, she'll never know what's going on. Okay,
True.
so just
Yeah.
remain cool.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, that's a good idea.
Why are you here?
She's my aunt, but I'm really just after the inheritance.
Why do you need money?
I'm in a bit of debt. I might have set some buildings on fire.
What buildings have you set on fire?
My therapist's.
Oh, have you talked to anybody about this?
That's the thing. Well, you see, my grandpa's kind of a barbecue maniac. It runs in the family. How about you? Why are you here?
Well, I've known the birthday girl for years, so I think I need to be here.
Wonder if I should open this up, although I'm not sure I can trust the pyromaniac.
Well, it could be an incendiary device in there for all you know. So,
You're always so grumpy about everything, darling.
Well,
it's
you
my
never know
birthday.
what's in
You
there.
need to be happy.
I saw those cockroaches come out
Oh.
earlier. They don't look very well.
As long as they don't go any near my
There's some
cake.
poison in there. They look like they're near dead.
Why would you think that?
Well, you never know what's in there.
I'm opening this bag.
Careful
Let's see
now,
what's-
those cockroaches coming out.
Well, there are only two things in here.
I think they're the only ones that
Compass
are
and a
alive.
spoon. Oh, great.
Lovely.
Oh, I'll have to put my specs on for this. I didn't want people to know I'm wearing specs though, but
Oh, you got to show your age sometime.
Look, she will never know how to put that spoon and compass together properly. I think we're safe with the curse. Don't worry about it.
Okay. I mean, did we actually figure out what the curse was?
No, I thought it was something like it gave bad jokes to you or something.
Oh, that's the last thing we needed at Auntie's party.
Tell me about it.
Did you hear? The spoon and the compass. It's cursed. Do not touch that bag.
Cursed? I should be getting danger money for this. Last week I went to a senior line dancing event and I almost got trampled, so I got extra money.
You got paid? I don't get paid for anything we do here.
You're not getting paid? No, I'm getting like $10.
Can you share?
No.
Well, I'm getting paid in full. You guys are just being dramatic, okay? Just eat the cake and shut up.
Isn't it time for the barbecue yet?
Oh, for heaven's sakes, just put it on low then.
Hey, isn't it supposed to say 65, not 56?
There goes your inheritance. Aren't we supposed to be having a barbecue instead of wasting time over this old bag?
My wife's not an old bag. Oh, you darling.
you call me that all the time.
Oh, it's just cursed, isn't it?
Why do you think that?
I just overheard a conversation over there.
The barbecue should be ready now.
56. She's having herself on.
56 sausages. You're not going to fit that many on the Weber.
No, not 56 sausages. She says she's 56. But did you hear that about the curse? It's in the bag. If the spoon and the compass get together, all hell's going to break loose. The family will fall apart.
What cake do you think it is this week?
Carrot cake?
Again?
It's the bloody oldie special.
I'm sick of it. You know,
We had cake at the funeral we went to yesterday. We're having cake again today. We have cake, I feel like, 3 times a week. It's really unhealthy.
We're at a birthday party. What do you expect?
It's a party.
You know,
Where's the drinks? Where's the fun? It's always cake.
since you always complain a lot, I might have to consider the other rent-a-group. You know what? I quit. I make more money doing nails than this. Oh, I'm just glad I didn't get fired last week when I turned up to a funeral in a Mardi Gras outfit.
You know what? I can make you some really nice, really colourful nails.
I wish, but I'm booked in for a church appearance next week.
So, I'll show you a real party.
It's about time you did something worthwhile for your money.
There goes your inheritance. There's 5 brigades on its way.
Well, at least that family curse is gone now.
Yeah, I suppose so. I mean, this place is weird. You know, the pyromaniac and these two arguing with each other. I actually forgot the reason why we're here. Yes, we better check the family tree and see if, this isn't even relevant anymore.
Makes you wonder how we're related.
Yeah.
This is the worst birthday party you've ever organised for me. And it's my 56th.
No, it says 65 actually.
That's a mistake.
But I didn't make that mistake.
Well, you hired these renter people.
I never did.
Who did that?
The agency, I never had anything to do with it.
Honestly, Kevin, I'm out of here. That's it, I'm leaving. I'm sick of this. You can walk home, Kevin. Family from overseas or wherever they are, I don't even know them.